Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our little green corner of the world. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you, my secret for speeding up germination in your garden. You know, March is a magical month for gardeners. It's that time when the earth starts to wake up from its winter slumber, and we get busy sowing the seeds of our dreams. But hey, if you want to get a head start on your garden this year, I've got just the trick for you: direct sowing. Direct sowing simply means planting seeds directly into the soil outdoors, rather than starting them indoors and transplanting later. And let me tell you, it's a game changer when it comes to speeding up germination and getting your garden off to a flying start. All right, enough chit-chat. Let's get down to business. Here are 10 garden plants that you can direct sow in March for a bumper harvest later in the season. 1. Carrots. First up, we've got carrots. These crunchy delights are a staple in any garden, and March is the perfect time to sow them directly into the soil. Just make sure you choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil, and you'll be munching on fresh carrots in no time. 2. Peas. Next on our list are peas. Whether you prefer shelling peas or snap peas, March is the ideal time to sow them outdoors. They love cool weather, so the earlier you plant them, the better. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of freshly picked peas straight from the vine. 3. Lettuce. Lettuce, the unsung hero of the salad bowl. Luckily, lettuce is super easy to grow, especially when you direct sow it in March. Just scatter the seeds in a shallow trench, keep the soil moist, and before you know it, you'll be harvesting crisp, delicious leaves for your salads. 4. Radishes. If you're looking for a quick growing crop to satisfy your gardening cravings, look no further than radishes. These peppery root veggies thrive when sown directly into the soil in early spring. And the best part? They'll be ready to harvest in just a few weeks. Talk about instant gratification. 5. Spinach. Poppy's favorite superfood spinach. Not only is it packed with nutrients, but it's also a breeze to grow, especially in March. Just sow the seeds thinly in a sunny spot. Keep the soil moist, and you'll soon have an abundance of tender spinach leaves to enjoy in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes. 6. Beets. Beets may not be everyone's cup of tea, but trust me, they're worth a spot in your garden. March is the perfect time to sow beet seeds directly into the soil, where they'll thrive in cool weather and produce sweet, earthy roots that are perfect for roasting, pickling, or adding to salads. 7. Kale. Kale, the king of superfoods. This nutritional powerhouse is not only good for you, but also surprisingly easy to grow. Sow the seeds directly into the soil in March, and you'll soon have a bounty of hardy kale leaves to enjoy in soups, salads, stir-fries, and smoothies. 8. Swiss chard. If you're looking to add some color to your garden, look no further than Swiss chard. This vibrant leafy green comes in a rainbow of hues and is a breeze to grow from seed. Sow it directly into the soil in March, and you'll soon have a stunning display of colorful stems and tender leaves to harvest. 9. Turnips. Turnips may not be the most glamorous vegetable, but they certainly deserve a place in your garden. Sow the seeds directly into the soil in March, and you'll soon have a crop of tasty turnips that are perfect for roasting, mashing, or adding to stews and soups. 10. Arugula. Last but not least, we have arugula, the peppery green that adds a zing to any dish. Sow the seeds directly into the soil in March, and you'll soon have a bumper crop of tender arugula leaves to enjoy in salads, sandwiches, pizzas, and more. And there you have it, folks, 10 garden plants that you can direct sow in March to speed up germination and kickstart your gardening season. So grab your seeds, roll up your sleeves, and let's get growing. Until next time, happy gardening.